Whoa, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be talking about the ultimate tool for TikTok Shop growth from A to Z, whether you're trying to source or do fulfillment by TikTok. This is going to be the tool, the master of the master class, holy grail tool for a TikTok shop seller looking to sell on TikTok, looking to rank on TikTok, looking to, you know, make some dollars on TikTok right now. And so I've been working with TikTok shops for the past 2 years or so. And before that, actually been focusing on Shopify and doing catalogs and TikTok posts organic. Before TikTok Shop was a huge thing, it was very big to direct most of traffic to your Shopify. So needless to say, I've been doing this for quite a long time, and this is a very exciting little update, but it's not an entirely new tool. It's called FastMoss. And so FastMoss TikTok Analytics, fastmoss.com, no affiliation, no partnership. They're a need from daily, weekly, monthly average sale volume to, gross volume of sales, who's the top seller on Amazon, in what niche, what category. And this is going to be the tool that you use to actually figure out where to find creators, what niche to sell in. Is my product worth selling on TikTok? How can I sell on TikTok? Where do I sell on TikTok? Is it through ads? What's the strategy? This is the tool for you. So you can sign up for free. You can go on a free plan, which is the one that I'm on now. But you can also do a unlimited plan, which is like a full X-ray tool that allows you to see everything from a brand sales to the creators that they're working with to the exact ads and style that they're running. So I'm going to give you a quick tour. On the side dashboard here, you're actually going to be able to see so many things that are so good and highlight everything related to what somebody's looking for if you're looking to sell online, or if you're looking to scale on TikTok Shop, which is like product search, top sellers, newly listed products fulfilled by TikTok. So products that are shipped out from the warehouse of TikTok, most promoted, creators, creator search, growth rank, e-commerce rank for that creator, and then shop search and rank, most promoted, ads, ad search, most popular advertiser, videos, most popular videos, popular music, popular hashtags. So if you're looking to sell, right, and you're in the product TikTok Shop, search in the US, which is the best because most sellers on TikTok Shop from the US. Shh, don't tell anybody. Trump, Trump allowed it. So we're seeing a paywall here. Anyway, you can basically look up any category that you would like for TikTok, and it'll give you the exact category to look for, what the commission rates are on the current shop, what are they giving creators for commissions, how many units per day they're selling, GMV, so like the total value of the sales over the past 7 days, the total units sold, and then the affiliates, how many of them have, and what category. So essential oils, eyeshadow, bras, powdered drinks, health and fitness supplements, chocolates, bra accessories, home fragrances, hair removal stuff. All of these paywall again. So I should definitely. This is a total sign for you guys to get the full unlimited subscription. If this video is something that you're looking to see more of, and you want to see more of FastMoss Analytics, I will definitely get this account on a paid account. I'm actually on my personal email recording this right now, so I don't have that paid account connected to my work email. But if you take a look at this, it'll give you everything you need to know as far as, is your brand worth scaling? Is it worth getting on TikTok Shop? And then how many actual orders per the commission rate that people are dishing out, and how many creators are actually creating in what volume. So for example, if I was Artistry Singles, which sells eyeshadow, this specific one, you could give a 10% commission rate. You're doing affiliates with about 1,000 people, so 939 creators are basically taking your product and saying, hey, purchase this product. I use it for this, this, and that. And they're giving a review, and they're giving some short form content. They're getting a 10% on each sale, and the total GMV is almost $1 million. And in the last 7 days, they've sold 34.5K. And you can kind of attribute that to two things. You can attribute that to either their paid advertisements. You can also attribute that to the amount of creators that they're working with. So if they're doing paid ads, you can already assume that their organic strategy is doing really well. And so this is how we prove that actual scalability. So Artistry Singles, we go to TikTok, and then we're going to actually see their volume. So I love TikTok made me buy it as well. It's like the OG way of looking for products online. But slowly dying. Um, okay, so this is Artistry Singles. This is all the creators that are basically representing um, this brand. And so if you can see here, like it's so widely spread through this brand channel that it's just like crazy amounts of volume, right? So many different creators talking about it, like doing hauls, doing like different review videos, that it's basically flooding the market with the eyeshadow that they're selling, and it's cornering off that market. However, I will say this: I just realized that, and so um, this speaks more into like the type of influencer promoting a product. This guy is a pretty big influencer that's online. He does like makeup, and like he's often making content of himself. He's promoting his own product, and one of those products are selling on TikTok Shop and doing really well. So this actually speaks to influencer marketing campaigns as well. So if you're looking to launch a product on TikTok, you can definitely expect to kind of get a lot of sales if you're doing promotions at this level where there's a clear follower count and audience behind it. So this is not always the case. In this case, they're number one shop, so it's obvious that they're kind of like backed by an influencer. But if you're looking at like Sanchez stores with their bras, they're still making crazy amounts of sales. In fact, in the past 7 days, they made more sales than Artistry Singles, but it's at a different level. So, for example, if we were to look at Loaded Tea, which is making 68.5K, has made 68.5K in sales in the past 7 days, we're going to see that they're not actually backed by any influencers, and they're actually just like doing, stuff pretty organic. They're just doing like stuff from home, their home videos, sharing this, and they're actually making crazy money. And their content is not necessarily the greatest. They've got 18,000 followers. They've got a a logo that's actually made by ChatGPT, and yeah, they're selling hundreds of thousands of dollars in product. So if that puts it in perspective for you guys, you can use Fastmoz to basically scale up your shop. It's very easy to do, and you can explore all the tools. Like I said, if you're more interested in videos where I'm diving more into Fastmoz as an analytical tool, I'm totally open to getting the premium membership for this account. Or you can go ahead and book a strategy call with me, and we can break it down one-to-one, and I can share with you premium analytics as well on our call. All right, guys, just thought that would be helpful for you. Let me know if you need any help on the more specific TikTok Shop scaling stuff in the comments. If not, that's been a good little update video. Have a good rest of your week. Thanks. Peace.